Hi, this is Attorney Joe Mitchell, YourHarvardAttorney.com, serving Greater Philadelphia with personal injury, criminal defense, and DUI. You can reach me at 215-557-7111 for a free consultation. I'm going to talk to you today about finding criminal records in Philadelphia, or in any county in the state of Pennsylvania. So let's begin. First, you need to go to Google. I like to use Google Chrome personally, but it's really up to you what you want to use. When we go to Google Chrome, we now are going to type in PA criminal docket. Do you remember that? Say it 3 times. PA criminal docket. PA criminal docket. PA criminal docket. You're going to search there, and then you're going to come to Pennsylvania Unified Judicial System, the UJS portal. If it's not number 1, just find it. Click on it. When you come to this, you're going to go to Docket Sheets. There are a lot of other things that may be interesting to you, but you're going to go to Docket Sheets. And then when you go to Docket Sheets, you're going to go to Criminal Courts of Common Pleas, if it's in Philadelphia, or if it's a case that is not new in a county. If it's a new case in a county, you want to go to the magisterial districts. You can't if it's out of Philadelphia County and you can't find it in the Criminal Court of Common Pleas, go to the magisterial districts. The same operating principle that I'm going to teach you now. So you go to Criminal Courts, scroll down, change the search type to participant name. And then you enter the participant's name. And in this case, we're going to do John Smith. Okay? So you enter John Smith, and then you're going to go down, date of birth you can. County is what I suggest. You can use other combinations if you like. You can experiment with those, but I just use the county. I'm looking for John Smith in Philadelphia. And we search. John Smith is probably going to have a bunch of things. So we're going to choose John Smith right here. And we look at the we have the docket number here. We know when it was filed. And there are 2 things we could do. First of all, we put our cursor over in this little print preview icon. And we have 2 things. We can do the docket sheet, or we can do the court summary. So we're going to do both. We're going to start with the docket sheet, and then we're going to go back, and then we're going to do the court summary. So then we'll do court summary as well. Okay? So what is the docket sheet? The docket sheet is all the information that we need. First of all, we see it's in the Municipal Court of Philadelphia, and we see the docket number. We can find out if there are any co-defendants. We can find out his date of birth, where his zip code. There's no addresses in here. We can find out when the trial happened, which was 11/14/2011, where it happened. If there's anything coming up, we can find out where that is. We can find out what the bail is. This is the bail. It was $2,500, which is 10%, which means he posted $250. We can see the charges, which were simple assault and recklessly endangering, and we can see what happened. On the last court date, the case was withdrawn. This guy is eligible for an expungement. But let's take a look at his criminal record. So this is the court summary history. Okay, we can see that he has some other charges, robbery charges, and he has all of these other aggravated, very serious charges. This guy really needs an expungement. If you want to know about expungements, look at some of my other videos. But if you have some cases which were withdrawn, expungement sometimes is a very good thing. This is gun cases and things. You really might want to have expungements on these. So you can see someone's criminal history, and you can see his open cases. That's what you want to use. This is the basics. My name's Attorney Joe Mitchell, YourHarvardAttorney.com. Go to my website for some other resources, or call me for a free consultation, 215-557-7111. Thank you very much for listening.